With my eyes on the horizon, I rise in the sunlight. My face embraces its rays, and when the days become night, I stargaze and praise the most in ways the host only knows. My flesh is dressed in woes, while my soul is clothed in holy robes. I'm from the cosmic, I came to harness my props. I'll harness my honesty, modest from the garments I rock down to my bone marrow. Let it be known I'm like that lone pharaoh, wandering this wasteland, standing by my own shadow. My whole existence exists in the distance in which manuscripts are written to make the planet eclipse. Against all odds, I seen God's silhouette peer through the clouds that shroud the destination I vow to stare to. Away from this pavement's texture and foul fragrance, like a messenger sent to avenge heads of proud basements with urgency. We searching for redemption. It's like a marathon. Now follow me, let's carry on in this direction.
Listen, elements, carry on, carry on. My man Casuno, you'll carry on, carry on. When Babylon falls, we'll survive and carry on. We hop in Jericho walls to carry on, y'all.
It's where those intersections cross, the forks in the roads, the stop signs, the red lights, the hard times. It's like it's Morse code, trying to translate what ends spits like Sanskrit. I transmit gems, well this planet can understand it.